What's up, familia? Want to know how to make a DIY rustic hanging rack? Come with us as we show you how. A pre-stained piece of wood cut to the length of your liking. In our case, our piece of wood was cut to 24 inches in length. If you're curious to know, this is the wood stain that we used for our project. It's called Weathered Gray by Varathane Wood Stain. If you're hanging your rack on a wall that has no studs, then you need 2 to 3 drywall anchors, and these hold up to 75 pounds each. 3 cotton hat hooks, that's a tongue twister. Why 3? Because odd numbers look a lot better aesthetically, so you always want to go in odd numbers. So this is why we got 3. My husband chose these screws to mount the hooks onto the wood because the ones that came with the hooks were way too long. You'll also need a level, concrete screws, and a drill. Here's my husband pre-drilling the holes to make it easier for him to mount the piece of wood. Prior to drilling the holes, we chose a spot where we thought the wood would look best. Now you want to go ahead and hang the wood where you previously had pre-drilled the holes. If you're making a hanging rack too, please let me know in the comments down below where in your house you're going to be hanging your rack. I would love to know. After hanging one side, this is the perfect time for you to go ahead and see if everything looks level. You'll see here the very importance of the anchor, because here he started using that concrete screw and drilled right into the wall where there was no stud to hold the screw. So he wound up having to take that out and then anchor it and re-screw again. So this is how you anchor a wall. He basically inserted the anchor into a pre-drilled hole. Obviously that's the hole that he had made before. And now he's going to align the wood with the hole that he had previously drilled so that he can drill the screw into the wall. And as soon as he did that, the problem was solved. It was no longer flimsy or easy to come off the wall. It was nice and firm in there. It was not moving. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do later is I'll just like spray, or not spray, but spray a little bit of paint on a piece of cotton or something to stain these and all the other ones. But I really don't care. We're kind of going for that rustic industrial look in the house anyway. Now here's the hanging rack all done, and as you can see, the girls were extremely happy to hang up all their stuff on it. I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed one.